Joanne and Nick, you have changed my life and I can't get enough.
We've been in business for 10 years and noticed recently we weren't making the progress we wanted.
What this course taught me is how to expand and grow my business.
Because it covers all the major areas of running a business, and it's really well presented by Nick and Joanne.
Navig8biz. I've just finished week 6 with Joanne and Nick, and already we're seeing amazing changes in our business.
So I've implemented new products and new lines so that I'm not working through the night. And
it's very nurturing, and it's a really beautiful space that you create for everyone.
They are very down to earth, and I guess like their podcast, it's no bullshit. They just get in and give you the facts.
And it has truly been life-changing, and I'm so grateful to have met them.
So as a mum of 3 who's trying to run a business, it's been a blessing coming into my life. So I thank you from the bottom of my heart. So I look forward to keeping on implementing everything that you're teaching me and expanding and growing with you. Now that I'm in your network, I will not be leaving, and I value everything you bring to the world. So thank you so much. Navig8biz Bootcamp is amazing.